I just wanted to do a little update on this 1996 Simplicity Snowblower. The last time I made a video of this, it was in a state of disrepair. This dashboard up here had cracked, and the handles were actually separated from it. The handlebars were separated from it. So I replaced this handlebar completely because it was really badly cracked down at the bottom. I replaced the dashboard. And this one right here is still in decent shape, so I'm not going to worry about it. Last time I showed it, it didn't have any skid shoes on it because they were all worn down. Well, I may have had it on it, I don't remember for sure, but they were completely worn out, so I put new ones on just now. As you can see, I also went ahead and put these screws in finally. There's a little bracket that goes on the carburetor, and that was missing, and these screws were missing, so I found those and put those on there. Got a choke knob finally. Gonna be changing the spark plug and the oil, of course. I replaced the friction drive disc. Let me see if I can show you the other one. The old one is right there. It was pretty worn down. So I replaced that. Now the transmission works real nice. There's a spring inside that is supposed to pull this back when it's released, and that was missing, so I also replaced that. So now that works much better. This is for the auger drive. Belts are relatively new, so that's good. It's not in the best cosmetic shape. It needs to be repainted badly, but mechanically it's very solid, and I'm happy that I'm finally done with the mechanical aspect of this thing. So there's that. I always make sure the gear case is full of oil, and it is. So there's a little update on the Simplicity. I did get a couple other older snowblowers over the summer that I haven't made videos of yet. This is a Toro 524 with a 5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. That Simplicity has a 7 horsepower Tecumseh engine, by the way. Here's a John Deere 1032 with, it's supposed to have a 10 horse Tecumseh, but someone put a 7 horse on here. So that's what it's got. It's awaiting a new carburetor. So it was missing some parts, and I didn't have any parts laying around that would fit it, so I ordered a whole new carburetor for it. So it should run nice. It needs new belts as well. And over here, we have a Simplicity Snowbuster. This thing is extremely hard to push and roll around, so there's something going on in there. It needs to be lubricated, and this chute control cable needs a little bit of work, but once that's done, this thing will be fine. Engine runs great. It moves under its own power, and I'm sure it blows snow pretty well. So there's that one. Here's my Ariens Deluxe 24. Didn't use that at all last winter. Here's the Toro Power Clear with the 2-cycle engine. This one I used a bit last winter, and I actually forgot to run the gas out of it at the end of the winter. But it started right up, so I'm happy about that. And there's the Ariens Deluxe 28. That needs a new front oil seal on the crankshaft, and I'm going to do that soon. And then here's the Troy-Bilt XP Storm 3090 30-inch. So yeah, there's basically a little update on the snowblowers. This one definitely was in need of some major repairs, and it's finally done. So thanks for watching. And I forgot to mention this one. This is that little Toro CCR Powerlight 3-horse with the 2-cycle Tecumseh engine. This needs a new carburetor. The one that was in there originally had all sorts of problems, and so I'm just going to get a new one for it. This is very light and easy to move around. That one I forgot to mention has a Briggs & Stratton 2-cycle engine in it. So now that's it. Thanks for watching.